Hi, I'm really excited to share a new project with you. It's been about 2.5 weeks since I've been able to work on site with my clients in their homes, and I'm not sure if it's spring fever or if it's cabin fever, but I've really been feeling the pull lately to get my own home more organized. And I've started to notice with this extra time I've been spending at home some hot spots, and they're honestly starting to drive me crazy. So, what I thought we would do is we do a mini makeover Monday. So we're going to jump on Facebook Live every Monday afternoon, and we are going to tackle one of these hotspots in a project. And so I would invite you to join me, and we can work side by side, virtually of course, on the same project, you and your home, me and mine, and you can get some great tips and tricks that professional organizers use and join a community of people working on the same project together, and it will be a lot more fun when we do the project as a group than if we just do the project by ourselves. So I thought this would be a fun new thing to kind of try during our quarantine time with the COVID-19 virus. So we will be announcing the project topic via email and Facebook every week, and we are going to be using the hashtag Mini Makeover Monday. So I hope you'll join us. See you soon.